When reading documents like contract, proposals, and reports, we can insert stamps to leave our review comments. Click Tool. Go to the Annotation tab and choose Stamp. Here we can choose from the 8 default styles. For example, we can insert tick or cross in this document after each task. They can help us reveal whether each of them is completed. We can change the size and location of the stamp. Click on the stamp to change the size. Drag it and place it in the place you want. We can also remove it. Click Delete. In this example, then we can delete the cross symbol and add a tick stamp. We can access more functions about stamps in WPS Office for PC. We can customize stamps and change the text within the stamps. And you're welcome to experience this feature there.